What's up guys, welcome to the internet Moola. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to import sounds from Splice to FL Studio 25. So let's go ahead and start. The first thing, download Splice desktop app. For Mac OS, click here. If you use Windows, download for Windows. So once you download and install the application, log into your account. So once you log in, choose the sound you wanna import to FL Studio, for example this one. So what I'm gonna do now, I will click add to a library. It's in my library right now. I'm gonna open FL Studio. Okay, and all I need to do is to slide the sound here, and here we go. As you guys can see, here is the sound, or like anything you wanna move, you can do it the same way. And if we go to recent files, we're gonna find it here. So that's it for this video. If you like it, share with your friends, subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more tutorials about FL Studio, and don't forget to visit our official website, theinternetmoola.com. See you guys on the next video. Bye.